Hello guys, in this video I will tell you how you can install and download the PHP and XAMPP in the same server. So now just open the command prompt and checking for the version. But open the command prompt, type cmd and just open php-version, so it's not recognizable. For that we need to download. Just go to the Google and just type PHP download. Open the first link. Here we have multiple options provide like Windows, Linux and Mac OS. So we choose for Windows and just scroll down and open the first link. It's a zip file, so we need to download it and wait for the completion. Just select the folder location and click on the download. Once this download is completed, open it and the same location, and can extract the file. Just click on right click and extract all on the same location. Once extraction is done, we need to rename it and just remove the excessive part, just be on the version. Now once the extraction renaming also done, now just copy that folder and go to the C drive. Inside the C drive, go to the program files, and in the program files we need to paste it. Sometimes we need administrator access or like permission, we need to continue also. Once copy is done, we need to open the folder and just copy that specific path. So now go to the environmental variable, just search environment, and once the dialog box will open, yes, so you can just open the environmental variable and click on the path. Now click on the edit and just new and just paste it that part which you copy and click on OK and OK. Now reopen the command prompt again and check for the version. Yeah, now it's showing PHP 8.5.7. Now we can go for XAMPP. So for the XAMPP, like we can open XAMPP download again on the Google and open the first link as same. So we have this application, so we need to download in 64-bit and just waiting for installing. It will take around 5 to 10 minutes based on the internet. Once the download is completed, we can click on it and just open the dialog box. So yeah, it's open. Here's a pop-up. We need to just click on OK, and after that just click on next and next. You don't need to nothing, just click on next, and it will take around 5 to 10 minutes, and I'm just forwarding, so we can just finish it. And now we can just open the control panel of the XAMPP. So it's all the things are completed. Click on finish and we are opening Apache. So first click on the Apache, it's causing error, so we need to open the config file and change the port 80 to 81. So 8081 is engaged, then we can open it and rename any port. So admin is opening now. We will open the dashboard also. So yeah, it's working fine. Now we can open the MySQL also. So yeah, for that we need to open the MySQL server also. So it's working the port 3307, and you can just rename the port also. Yeah, it's working fine. For any type of query, and please comment it. I will just go through and just revert back. Thank you for watching my video.